Welcome to the channel. So this is going to be a reading for almost personal, all signs collective, all that you need to know. So we are going to look into your person's energy, their feelings, their intentions, and where things are going between you and them. So this is going to be mostly connecting to soulmates and twin flames. Okay. So let's start. Hope you guys are doing well. All tarot readings won't connect with each and every one of you. Some days they connect, some days they don't connect at all. But if it does, kindly hit the like button. So let's start now. What's your overall energy going to be like for the next couple of days? We have the star card, so I say you again focus on your goals, your dreams. Okay, trying to be more optimistic, trying to be more positive. With Seven of Wands, you guys are staying away from anyone who would kind of bring in negativity in your life, or pain in your life. This could be a ex, this could be a colleague, this could be a family member, whosoever. You're staying away from drama. That's all. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. With Five of Wands, to be honest, things are very conflicted right now with you and your person. I don't see things going in a very smooth way. With Two of Swords, there's no clarity like usual. Okay, bottom card we have the Sun card. So many of you guys could have chosen to possibly stay away from this person because they have nothing to offer, or many of you guys chose to completely give up on them. Okay, but whatever it is, you guys still feel conflicted. Okay, you guys still feel like talking to them or reinitiating a conversation would bring nothing in your life more than drama. Okay, in terms of what to expect for the next couple of days. Two of Wands. So you guys are still at crossroads. You guys haven't really moved on or really focused on them. I see you midway. Okay, neither here nor there. Okay, in terms of what are you thinking right now? Tower card. Many of you guys feel like you guys are kind of separated from a person. You guys are not together. Even if you guys are together, you don't feel connected. At one point, you were manifesting this connection. I don't see you manifesting it any longer. Top card, we have Four of Pentacles. You could be holding back a lot. Okay, I don't see you initiating any sort of conversation or keeping yourself open for any sort of conversation. No. Okay, sorry. In terms, sorry, in terms of your person, in terms of your soulmate, what are they up to? Okay, Four of Wands. Why is this Four of Wands here? How are thinking about you? We have a card. Let's see the card. Okay. So this person with Queen of Cups and Four of Wands has been thinking a lot about you, to a point that they are wanting to meet you or to possibly visit you or to possibly go out on a date with you. I see something about meeting together. Okay, again, in the past with Queen of Swords, this person could have reached out, but they were all completely detached, like not wanting to speak about their feelings, intentions, past, present, nothing. They were just cordial. Okay. Top card we have is King of Cups. So this time with King and the Queen and the Four of Wands here, this person is thinking about you in a very romantic way. I do not know what's the shift. One more card in terms of what has changed, Spirit. What has really changed? They miss you. You could be ghosting them to a point that they finally miss you and they want to spend more time with you. Okay, top card we have the Seven of Pentacles. You have been keeping them waiting or guessing or completely confused. If you have been doing that, then it's working. Okay, because they are thinking about you a lot. In terms of their feelings towards you, in terms of their heart space, what do they have for you at this time? Okay. In terms of the heart space with the lovers card, they're thinking about you in a very romantic, sexual, like a mix of passion and emotion. Okay. With Emperor card, overall, with I don't see them completely, like sending songs to you or sending you flowers. No, they are doing it in a very like a very detached manner. They would come forward, but then they'll start opening up. You can't really expect this person to completely be sending you songs or some romantic quote or some some letter or something. No, I see this person coming in a very usual way, but then wanting to open up later after that. Okay, in terms of their headspace, what's happening? they are missing you a lot. Okay, but they're not showing that. Okay, with Emperor card, they're still coming off like, I don't care, you know, I'm not bothered. Okay, if you're not giving me your attention, I don't really want it. That sort of a mood, but deep down they are fucked up. Okay, in terms of, yeah, we have the Temperance card. This person definitely wants to come forward. They want to let go of all the drama that was going on at one time. Remember, we had five of wands at the very start, so I would say they'll try very hard to get your attention, like possibly initiate a conversation, and you're going to be like, now what do you have to say, what, like what do you want me to do for you now, like what do you want me to go through again, like you're in that zone where you feel like this person coming back would only hurt you more, or say something which is going to possibly make you feel bad, or put you through a third party. You do not not think in a very positive way about this person, rather negative. But this time this person wants to fix things, possibly get back on the same page, let go of all the differences and find a common ground with you. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you now, what are their intentions towards you? Intention is to initiate a conversation. They will message you for almost 70% plus. I'd say that you guys will possibly get a message soon, so expect some bits of communication here and there. Okay, with Six of Cups, this person is missing you to another level. Okay, this is highly romantic. I'm not used to be doing such readings for you guys. Usually it's the opposite. One more card. In terms of action, like what do you want to do this time? Okay, King of Pentacles. This person will give you a stable offer this time. That would look like a stable offer. Like I won't say that they'll offer you marriage. They'll definitely want to balance things out for sure, and they will put an effort. Okay, usually I look at this as breadcrumbs, but this time I see it more than that. Okay. Top card we have is Queen of Pentacles, King and Queen. I'm getting a lot of twin flame energy this time, like counterparts. Okay, so, with King and Queen, this person might also want to ask you about marriage, mind you on that, or like bring up a topic about long-term relationship or where this is going, and you're going to be like, what the fuck, This person who has been always running away from such conversations suddenly starts talking about marriage, or they are wanting to give you that idea that this might get some way. Okay, so expect that as well. Okay, in terms of what do they have to offer, what do they have to offer? Oh, oh. We have the Strength and Page of Pentacles. So, mind you, when they come off first time, they'll still come off detached, but then they'll open up. Starting off, I can see them messaging you or initiating that conversation, that start, and they're on. They would start pitching up that idea about relationships. Okay, they feel wounded without you. They feel lonely. They feel alone. Okay, like to a point where they are hurt. Okay, bottom card we have is Eight of Pentacles, so I do see them putting in effort. Okay, so what can you guys expect for the next couple of let's take 3 days? For now this person is talking you crazy. Okay, with the Devil card, this person could have put you through a third party in the past, but they are still watching you from wherever they are. Okay, with Nine of Swords, they are not getting proper sleep. If you ever see this person online, on any of your messenger apps that you guys are using, then it's not them talking to someone else, it's them stalking you. If you have kept them unblocked. Okay, if you kept them blocked, then it's a different story. But if you have kept them unblocked, then they are basically stalking you. Okay, in terms of what do they want from you this time? Your phone, please clarify. Two of Cups. This is the best reading I've done for Almost Personal so far. They want to look forward to this relationship. That's what they want, and they might also want to plan about it, like the future or where things could be going. Okay, in terms of how do they view you at this time? They look at you as someone who's wanting to stay away from them, or who has got away from them and has their walls up. So they know that it's not going to be a clean route or an easy route back to you. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they view the connection that you people share. Six of Cups. For many of them, I believe they know that it's a soulmate connection. Not everyone might be having that idea of twin flames. That's just a label, but whatever. With Ace of Swords, I'm still getting that this person has come to a realization that this is much more deeper than just attraction or just infatuation or just obsession. Okay, it is way more than that, and it runs much deeper. Okay, with Eight of Wands, you guys shared a very passionate connection. It might not have always been romantic, but it was always passionate. But this time, I believe this person will put in that effort because you have got distant and they fear that you guys will get away. But being very honest, like I'm usually the way I read my cards, they're not going to come off in a very romantic manner to you. Okay, they're going to come off a bit detached, and then one by one they're going to like possibly open the layers. Like they'll want to speak about relationships, future, present, past, whatever that is. But I see it going in a positive way. Okay, so let's take messages from your person. Give me a minute. Where the fuck are the cards? Here, go. So, spirit messages from your person. Okay. I want to marry you. Will you marry me? This is highly cheesy, and I don't like such messages. But I want to see you. I miss you. Okay, this is the best reading I've got for you guys. I want to do naughty things with you. Touch me. So it could also get sexual. Good for you, man. But yeah. Last we have is for many of you, I believe that they did not promise you marriage, but this connection was still something, but it did not have a label. But it wasn't really like a committed relationship, but you guys knew that it was something, right? And this person always made you feel like you were important at one time, and then all of a sudden they ghosted you and they were out, right? So their practical mind could not approve you, but their heart always was focused on you, and now they have come to that realization for many of you. Okay. I have a strong attachment, but lots of problems will get in the way. So they fear other things getting in the way, but that's part and parcel of the relationships, right? So yes, this was all you need to know about your person reading. If you resonated, kindly hit the like button. Every like that you hit helps me grow as a channel. So if you would really mind spending a couple of your seconds hitting that like button, that would really help me. Okay, and all those who want to donate to the channel, you've guys been asking, some of you, not all of you, who are genuinely interested, you guys could directly go to my website, and there's this donation coupon, or you could go to my YouTube section where there's this thing called as I believe there's this section called as applause or something like that, and yeah, or to my link. All those who want a personal reading, kindly go to my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much for everyone who's been liking the video and always been supporting. Sometimes I do not say it out loud, but I love you guys. Thank you so much, and for all that you have done so far. I will continue doing what I used to giving you guys, that is readings, the honest ones. I hope you guys will continue supporting me as well. Thank you so much. Cheers.